podcast we should start.
That is knitted, not crochet. The exciting news, it just stays like. Hey guys, this is Anisha and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So today is Monday and as I told you on Sunday, I went to meet a friend and watch a cricket match. So now we are going to go back to Sunday and watch all that good stuff.
How are you feeling? My mouth's on fire.
What did you think of Kala Ghoda?
Kala Ghoda is fun. I would recommend everyone comes here once in a while.
Do you want to show your outfit?
I am wearing something that Anisha has not. Top, it's from Parla. My jeans are from Amazon. My chappals, they are 200 rupees. They are from, I think, Parla as well. And
What is Parla? I don't think guys they know what Parla is. We have a multi-country audience.
multi-country audience. Are you going multi-country audience?
So guys, so this is a top that I made, and then we have this jeans from Sarojini, and these boots are from West Sides, and the earrings. Look at these are prettier. Tell us whose earrings you like more.
Cherry earrings for the win, and West Side ke earrings.
Yeah, those are pretty. Someone took a bite out of it. Do you think she should learn how to crochet? Make a video of
There's no way.
teaching Shrishti how to crochet.
I've never
50 likes and we'll do it.
See, I have tried crocheting and I've just admitted to the fact that I am not going to be good at this one hobby that I picked up. So I will discontinue, but I will keep making that one scarf.
Yeah, that is knitted, not crochet, by the way.
Same difference.
It's not
And
same.
I will keep doing it.
The amount of people that are going to be offended by that statement are way too high.
As if
We have a video, like a shot of her trying to crochet, which was a huge
that
failure.
was last year.
Yeah.
मैंने तू बनाया था और फिर अभी भी घर पे है पर मैं सोच रही हूँ वो वुल यूज़ कर लूँ किसी के लिए जैसे
But we
baking
can
के
make a
लिए।
video out of it. The funny experience of her crocheting and crying.
I don't think crochet is for me. Why don't you try teaching me chess? We are at Kala Ghoda, if you can see. पिछली तैयारी चल रही है और उस तरफा you can see a lot of Kala Ghodas, but they're renditions of horses, like artistic. And also एक और Kala Ghoda है that we have not been to yet. We'll have the time to go to also. But there's one more which is the main Kala Ghoda और हम लोग जो है इधर वो ऐसे
Artisan.
yes.
Sure.
But still very pretty.
So we are at Kala Ghoda and she is stalking someone who she thinks is Jason Momoa.
I mean,
I
it's
don't
not
think-
that far-fetched.
No.
बस ऐसे इसको shrink कर दिया ना तो वैसे जब दिखेगा वो
I'll insert a clip of who she thinks is
I'm
that guy.
right about it.
Why would he be at Kala Ghoda without any
Because-
security?
Start podcast. A podcast we should start.
Yeah, like there are not enough podcasts where two people are ranting about random shit. We should do it too.
हाँ. So you get it, Mala. She's smart
Yeah.
in it. Even
I'm
though
very
it's
smart.
like, oh, look, crow. Any other thoughts? Any feelings?
Excited about today's match.
Oh yeah.
Who's gonna win? India's already won.
I came to know today किसकी match है.
That was really fun. I mean, Sunday was fun. Just let me know in the comment section below if you think that was Jason Momoa, guys, because it definitely was not. But yeah, if you thought that was Jason Momoa by any chance, just let us know. Otherwise, just tell her that she was wrong and he was nowhere close to Jason. But yeah, that being said, the exciting news is here. I have the huge announcement and I'm going to share it with you guys. So in the previous couple of vlogs that we have been doing, I have been telling that I want to do a market, and your girl has now secured a market in one of the biggest mall in Mumbai, which is Nexus Seawoods Mall in obviously Seawoods. So yeah, the event is going to be on 8th and 9th of March, that is Saturday and Sunday. So if you live near Navi Mumbai or Mumbai, and if you want to support me or you just want to have fun, you can come. So now moving ahead, I wanted, like as I said in my previous vlog, I did get an order for a crochet clip as well. So I just wanted to show you guys. I'm sorry I did not make a video of me like making that clip, but if you want a tutorial of that clip, let me know, and I am planning to do like a tutorial Tuesdays, where every Tuesday I post a new tutorial. So yeah, just let me know in the comment box below if you need any of the tutorial, because I had like a couple of people tell me to make tutorials. I don't know what sort. So yeah, just let me know what kind of tutorials you want and I can work on that. So moving to the clip that I made. I really like this clip. So yeah, here you go. So this is the back side. Obviously it has a gold clip, and then this is the clip. I will show a photo of me wearing that clip right here, but it is like a sunflower clip with leaves on top. I also made like a daisy one, so this is like the daisy one. Rest everything is the same and we just have daisies. So this is the daisy one. I know it's like a bit floppy when you see it, but when you wear it in your hair, it just looks perfect. So obviously this is not the right way to wear it, but I'm just going to wear it like this, and then yeah, you can see it. It just stays like so. It's not like it's not faulty or anything. It's just floppy when you hold it in your hand. So I made that, and I also wanted to make a bow just to try it out. So I made this little bow. I mean, the color is contrasting to my shirt that I'm wearing, but this is the bow. I just feel it's very cute, and I just wanted to do a pattern where it's just one, we don't have to sew anything on. So this is like a no sew pattern. Again, if you want to have a tutorial of this bow as well, you can let me know in the comment box below, and I'll make it for you guys. So this is the bow. So I plan on attaching the same golden pin to this as well. So yeah, that is a thing for later. Okay, so some of the other things I made from that flower pattern. Again, the flower pattern is also mine. I've just modified my bigger version, but if you want that pattern as well, just let me know. So I made like the same flowers and I just turned them into small clips. So I'll just show it to you guys. So this is my daisy clip, and this is, I'm sorry for this light, and this is the sunflower one. They are just pretty. I think they just enhance the look. I just feel anyone can wear it. Like, look at it. So yeah, these are some of the things I have been working on recently. I just wanted to share it with you guys, and I don't think I made anything else in this past week. I have been making scrunchies here and then, but as I said before, I am going to make like a whole video dedicated to the scrunchies, like how many scrunchies I can make in 12 hours probably. So yeah, that is a video that is coming up. So I think this is where I want to end this video. This was like a chaotic video, I feel. The Sunday part was like the most chaotic. We just shot some random clips that I have added in this vlog, and yeah, I think that's it, because today is Monday. I need to edit this vlog so it can come on Friday. And also I just feel like the Sunday part was a bit different than my usual vlog, and I don't want this vlog to be like very long, so this is where we are going to end it. If you want me to keep doing vlogs, let me know in the comment down below. If you want to see any other kind of videos, you can leave that in the comment box below. Tell me which one is your favorite, this daisy one or the sunflower one, and if you would like to come to my exhibition, just leave that in the comment as well. And don't forget to use the code YouTube when you come after watching this video. Also, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram. You can also follow Shrishti on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram in the description as well, so you can check that out as well. And yeah, I really hope to see you at the exhibition as well as next Friday here on YouTube. Bye!